All right, here we are back at it. Victor,
What's up?
here we are. What we got going on here right now?
Doing some redneck shit. On a wild Friday night in the shop.
Got a bad to the bone mag drill with a 1-inch hole bit. Hole saw bit?
Yeah,
Auger bit.
Cut that.
No, thank you. Here we are though, working on some new wheel centers built into these new R2s. So, moving right along. We got one wheel drilled. We got 18 more holes to go. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
times 3 is 18.
Yep,
Yep,
that's
it's 18.
You're the math guy. I'm the Sometimes you just gotta let her eat it.
Next! Here we are. Last hole. Only fuck.
83 later.
Yeah. What are we on? Number 24 is the actual number?
24 is actually.
24 is the actual number. So we're going to give her a little bit of juice right here. Fire on up. Next step, bolt them in. All right. Well.
Set of pitching.
Oh, one wheel's bolted in, it's tacked up, bolted tight. We got some 3-inch long, 1-inch bolts, grade 8s, and yeah, it don't look too shabby. So stay tuned. We'll get them all. Hopefully this week we can get them all done. All right, time for a bit of a check-in. It's 11:34 here on our Friday night. My arch nemesis has struck again. The wire wheel. He's smart enough to wear long sleeves, but it jumped up and got me real good. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if YouTube will let me cut in the video or the picture, but I will show the picture that I got of it.
This wire wheel is fucking nasty.
Yeah, that'll tear anybody up. Could have been worse.
I'm fine.
I clearly need to up my trauma supplies because they're a little low. I've got knuckle band-aids and a singular little gauze pad, so it's all right. But one wheel is done, bolted in, Gaslighter ring welded on, ready to go. Get one more done tonight, call tonight. All right, here we are, time for a check-in. This is Saturday night. Last night was Friday night. Mr. Victor and I are making very good progress. We did things a little different tonight. We went ahead and pre-painted because I bought the paint. So that's gonna look pretty sharp. This one's ready to bolt up tight. It's tacked in. It's ready to bolt up tight. And then we've got these two out here that are ready for paint. See the miscalculation? Paint first, not paint first. We'll figure it out in this wonderful game of life. So, yeah, make sure I get some pictures posted in here. So. So here we are. We decided to stand one up, and yeah, that's definitely a little taller. Wouldn't you say, Mr. Victor?
Amazing what tread does.
A little bit of R2 tread goes a long way. It's not a painted one, but oh wow, that's neat. We both just tripped. Make it a dually, question mark? What's up, everybody? So here we are, an update on the tires. Got a small problem. Not really sure what I'm gonna do just yet to fix it. Kind of getting close to the window on bricks here. But let me flip around here. So the problem I have here with these tires that I've got, see a lot of the splitting that's going on. Didn't really think that was gonna be too big of an issue until now, where the tube is starting to poke through the tire. So thinking I'm gonna have to bust this all the way off, take the tube out, take the wheel out, and then try to get some kind of a patch, maybe some old tire or something, and run it all the way around, and basically soft panhead bolt and nut all the way around here, and then flip that around so obviously you don't see that on the outside of the tire. So got that going on right now. Kind of frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. They turned out really good. Just got to get that fixed. Sometimes you gotta work smarter, not harder. All right, everybody, so I'm on the road now. It is Thursday afternoon at about 3:45 in the afternoon. I am on a 2-hour one-way trip to Jared Kirkendall's because he's got a set of 23.1 by 26 Firestone spades, which I have 2 spades, 2 Firestones, 2 Goodyears. One Goodyear is bad, so instead of trying to risk patching, repairing that bad Goodyear, Jared doing me a solid on just 2 tires, so that way I'll have a matching set, and that matching set will match the rear set. A little less tread on them, not the end of the world, but I'm going to pick them up now. Then I'll take them to the tire shop tomorrow morning, drop them off at 7 a.m. Get the 2 new ones busted down, get the 2 Goodyears busted down, and then put the 2 new ones on my silver Gaslighter wheels. So, hate to spend the extra money, but sometimes it is what it is. So, yep, I'll be at Jared's in 2 hours. We'll get these new ones loaded up, and I didn't have no equipment at my house. So you'll see that I used my 12,000 pound winch on my gooseneck and a sheet of plywood, and that's how I drug the 2 Goodyears up on the trailer. Oh god, that was bouncy. So, stay tuned to the saga. Good morning, everyone. So, didn't get back till late last night. It was like 9. I guess it's really not that late. But I'm currently headed to Purcell to drop these tires off. I'm really hoping that they get them done and get them back to me today before the holiday weekend, so that way I can get these new wheels and tires actually put on this truck. So yeah, we're gonna go to Haslag Steel this morning. Gotta get some stuff for my dad. Got another project I might try to tinker with too, since I'm going up there to get some steel. So, but yeah, that's the update for this morning. Let's hope these tires get done today. All right, we're out here. We're back at it now. So we got Victor, Dallas, Melissa here. Vic's got the skid loader. We're gonna try and get these tires busted down. So stay tuned.
secret, apparently, is baby powder, according to Mr. Victor. So, we're gonna find out. Melissa just saved the day. I went and got us some.
Is that how one baby powders the tube?
He's about to have a sex change to go from black to white.
What? What black? I'm going back white.
Back white? It went from not working to working. God damn.
I'm gonna have to mute that part.
No, you don't.
Alright, what's next?
Martin valve symbol.
That'd be a lot easier if we were looking at the other side of the wheel. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. This is the back. It's not light. Oh, look, it looks like I missed the spot.
No, we're good. Don't need no more. God damn it.
All right.
Oh, huh?
That's cool. Thanks for yourself.
That tube ain't no good.
Help.
Try two. You got enough baby powder on shit. I think you'll be fine without putting it on the tube.
Should I try to put air to it real quick? Huh?
I don't know how long that took, but it's 10 o'clock. And it's, tires are mounted. So, tomorrow we'll get them done on the truck. It's time to go bowling. Go have a little bit of drinky poo. All right, everybody. It's been a long Memorial Day weekend. So, as you saw, we fought the tires last night. I didn't get to do any time-lapse videos today. We got it done pretty quick, but didn't set the phone up because it's been raining all day Sunday. Happy Memorial Day weekend. However, they are on. So, and they look freaking awesome. So let me flip around here. So I got just a handful, a couple more things to do before we're ready for bricks. We got less than 10 days. So I got a transmission seal I got to put in. I got horn blasters, horns that need to get installed, and I need to get the new radiator fans in. So hopefully this rain stops for a little bit. I'm going to spend the rest of the day cleaning the shop up. That way I can get the truck back in the shop. And yeah, we're going to go from there. So let's keep rolling.